Hello and welcome to Just Style and Performance. I'm Joshua, and today we're talking about Sal's 1963 Chevrolet Impala, a two-door hardtop coupe that's gone through a partial restoration and turned into a classic street cruiser that packs a bit of performance under the hood. Now, the reason why the video might look a little weird is that when we filmed the video, this camera was functioning properly, however, the microphone was not. So all the audio that came home and we plugged it in got fully distorted. However, I got a new camera rolling and this audio won't get distorted. So let's talk about Sal's Impala. First off, this car has gone through a partial restoration. It is a little bit of an older restoration, however, it is clean from front to back. Now, it's been repainted back to its original color, ermine white. It's got all that chrome polish from front to back, and of course the wheels are painted to match, wrapped in a brand new set of real TA tires. Now, the one thing I love about this Impala is how classic it looks. Those taillights definitely stand out. It's an iconic look, and of course it looks great going down the road. However, if you make your way up towards the front, you may have noticed something in the pictures. Two of the headlights removed and the front bumper has been painted silver. Now, this is what we call a sleeper. Something that looks classic, looks simple, but when you get up next to it at a red light, this car turns into a whole nother classic. This thing's got some power hidden within. Now, when we decoded the VIN, this car did come back as a V8 car from 1963. However, it does not have the original 63 V8 engine in it. It's got a 1968 5.3 liter 327 cubic inch V8 motor, making 350 horsepower. And this thing has been beautifully built, has been beautifully painted, and when you open up the hood and look inside, it definitely fits the car perfectly. Now, those two headlights are removed, replaced with some stainless steel mesh that it's allowing full clean air straight into that air cleaner. And of course, it goes straight into a brand new Edelbrock Performer 4-barrel carburetor. It's got a set of two headers that flow into a Flowmaster exhaust, but if you really want this engine to roar and rumble going down the road, you just flip a switch onto the dash and it opens up the electric cutouts. Now, before we take this thing out of the road, I gotta tell you more about the interior, and to do that, let's head back to when I filmed this the first time and talk more about the interior. Alright, so this is the interior of the 63 Impala. Absolutely beautiful. When they did the restoration on this, they actually used a lot of the original pieces, such as the stainless, the chrome, all over the top. They put in a beautiful new headliner, new seats, and of course they redid the dash. But it still has a lot of its originality to it, such as the original two-spoke steering wheel, the gauges, and of course the dash panel. Now, this car does not come with AC, but it does come with a whole lot of fun, a great sound, and of course, a lot of performance. So let's fire up this 327 and go for a ride. So the one thing I really love about this car is, of course, that it has a 4-speed manual transmission, but the front brakes have been switched over to grilled and slotted disc brakes. They're still manual, but they have a little bit more of a stronger grip when braking. Alright, so if you'd like to learn more about this 1963 Chevrolet Impala, all you gotta do is feel free to give me a call anytime at 407-970-6866. I'll tell you more about this car and hopefully we can get it delivered to your garage. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more about what happens on this channel, all you gotta do is hit that red subscribe button, like this video, and of course share it with your friends. The more exposure means this car can find its new home soon. And until next time, we'll see you here at Just Style and Performance.